Good morning everyone and welcome back to the Decentralized Bull channel. Today we are going to talk about some interesting price targets for Bitcoin, Ethereum, major altcoins, and also we're going to talk about some interesting meme coins that are very undervalued right now. So make sure you stay tuned until the end if you don't want to miss any important information. And right now also I want to give you some wisdom for the day. Always get better every day. Every day is an opportunity to become better, to get better, to learn more, to do more, and to achieve more goals. So make sure you always give your best and you always strive for greatness. Also, you self are the best investment that you can do. So everything else comes after. So make sure you invest in yourself. You go to the gym, you learn more, you eat good food, and you have a good mindset and meditate every day. Now, without further ado, let's jump straight into the Bitcoin charts. Right here, we can see Bitcoin sitting at 64,436. We are now on the daily chart, so we can see here we are currently in a little bit of a dip right now. We went up to the almost the $70,000 area, and then we dipped down below to around $63,000, which is a big opportunity, guys, for everyone who didn't get on the Bitcoin trade and who doesn't have as much Bitcoin as they want to. And I guess this is everyone, because me myself, I like to accumulate as much Bitcoin as possible. So I'm trying to buy more every dip possible, and that's why I'm happy, because we have this kind of dips, because I can accumulate more at cheaper price targets. And if you are smart and if you already know technical analysis, you can know where to buy. And that's why, we can see here Bitcoin almost went to this area of the, here we had a little bit of resistance, and this resistance kind of became into the support zone right now. We dipped a little bit more down below because of the FOMC meeting that was a couple of days ago, and they announced that they are not cutting the rates yet. In my opinion, I think they'll probably start cutting rates from September, but that's up for the future. So we will see that in the next month. Let's see what will happen then. For now, my next price target for Bitcoin is around here, around the $66,000. We need to get back into the zone and even go above the zone around here. We need to go above the zone and flip it back into support zone. This is very important for Bitcoin. And after that, we can go for higher price targets around the $70,000, 71, or even to the previous all-time high here around the 73,400. That's very, very important. The big support here is at $59,000. That's where Bitcoin might go down if the market is gonna be shaking more. For now, I think this was over. I think the dip is over. We had this local dip here, quite nice, and we didn't create a lower low here. That's very, very important, guys. So you can see here we have to go actually below this low here at the $55,000. So for now, Bitcoin is still in a small uptrend. We can see we have a little bit of resistance here. Let me quickly draw this line right now, and we can see here we're facing a little bit of resistance. We can see we had resistance here, and again resistance here. So for now, I expect Bitcoin probably try to break the resistance point again around the $70,000. Let's see if that will happen or not. For now, support zone here at 59K. That's where I'm definitely going to buy more Bitcoin if we drop below. And that's where I'll probably also open a huge trade on Bitcoin. So let's see if that will happen soon or not. In my opinion, I think we have here also M formation. So let's see if this doesn't hold, we might see this zone right here. It's also very possible. So let's see what will happen. Now let's take a look at Ethereum, see what is happening there. We see Ethereum at $3,164 right now. Also quite a big dip here after the ETF announcement. So I don't know what to say about this news, but the ETF announcement was a sell the news event. And for now, it looks like it doesn't look as good, guys. It doesn't look very, very good. We can see Ethereum looks in a downtrend right now. So let's see what will happen soon. The big support is at 2,600, which is quite a significant drop if we'll go back there. But for now, we can have here maybe a double bottom formation exactly on the bull line, which was my support zone previously. So looks like it was holding, so we might see here a confirmation and then a bounce up to this area again. 3333, very nice number. And after we can go to even higher price target, like 3,500 or maybe even higher. This would be very important here. If we can go above this area right here and create a new higher high on the daily, that would be epic for Ethereum. After that, we can go for higher price targets like the $4,000 area or even the 4,900, which was the previous all-time high. I expect actually the market to start being very bullish after the summer. So around September, I expect some big movements in the market. So let's see if that will happen or not. For now, let's take also a look at Solana here. Solana looks actually a little bit better than Ethereum. So right now, Solana looks like it's in an accumulation phase. We can see here this range here from 120 to 194. This has been moving here through this channel, and right now we will probably, here we have a good support. Let's draw a support line here at 155, and after we might see some bounce here and then go for higher price target. But for now it looks good. We had here a higher high here, and for now we didn't create a lower low, so the lower low would be on the daily. The lower low we could say would be either this one or lower than this one. So I don't think Solana will go lower than this point right here in the near short term. Besides that, what else we have? We have MPC, and MPC has been performing quite well, guys. Let me quickly go actually to the 4 hourly, so we can see here some nicer movements here, and we can see here MPC is having some nice moves here. We can see MPC is already up from here, from the bottom, which was 12 cents, up here already up 40%. Quite nice, quite nice opportunity for buying, and also still very undervalued, guys. If you know MPC, they are a layer 1, they have a great team in Switzerland, they are doing amazing work, and they will probably do very well in the altcoin season. So that's why I definitely like to trade a little bit more and accumulate more MPC. Then we have Laika also performing very well, guys. We can see here, I just posted on Twitter about Laika. They just released a new ChatGPT layer, and we can see they are up already 151%, guys. 151% from the drop on the 4th of July here. Or actually, it was before on the 24th of July. So here was the drop on the 4th of July, and now we can see they are already up from the recent drop here, already up, and this was just in 16 days, already up 150%. So quite epic movements here. And now, guys, I want to show you one of my favorite meme coins right now, which is Orc, guys. Orc on Solana, and you can see here they have currently $7.6 million market cap, quite low and quite nice price to buy right now. Actually, we can see here they are having quite nice volume here, we can see, and they are backed by many influencers already. Here, if you want to trade it, you can just go here to the deck screener. You just go to their Twitter actually, and then you can just go to the link tree, and then you can find the deck screener, and then you copy this address, you put it into your Phantom wallet, and you can trade it. Or you can go to Jupiter. This is a very nice price. So you can just go here, you go to their link tree, Orc Solana on Twitter. You can see it here. This is their Twitter. You can see, go follow them, make sure you check out the link tree, and here you can see all the interesting where you can buy it, all their socials, and many other information. You can see also here they already have some very nice influencers on board, guys. We can see some big players already here, like Da Vinci J15, Connor Kenny, Mario Naval, and Mr. M. So quite bullish on this meme coin, one of my favorites meme coins right now. I just bought the dip on them, and I'm definitely looking to buy some more if it dips. Now, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to take profits. Bye bye.